Pick a picture of this. Acorn.
It's an acorn?
Pick a picture.
I did. Eat it.
No.
Why not?
I want to hold it.
Why?
I want to see it.
Why do you want to see it? Is it a special acorn? Why? You don't know why it's special?
Maybe it's a black acorn.
It's a black acorn? Why is it special? How come you don't want to eat it? Can I eat it? Why not? What's so special about it?
This one, a burger.
That's not a booger. Don't be yucky. The acorn had a booger?
No. Yes.
Eat the acorn.
No.
Why not?
I want to hold it.
Why do you want to hold it?
Cause
Nothing.
I'm gonna play with my pet and see the acorn.
Where did that acorn come from?
It comes for the Tinkerbell home.
From a Tinkerbell home?
It goes in the ice girl's home.
It goes in the where home?
The ice home.
The ice home?
And the girls see it.
And then what does she do with it?
And her hug it.
How?
Like this. See?
Like that?
And the ice girls to love it.
She loves it.
And Tinkerbell snack ate it and it's in the acorn.
Can I eat it?
I'm gonna get a little piece.
I'm just kidding. You don't have to share if you don't want to.
Hey, Mommy.
What?